Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning. First things first, let's see someone who caught those sales with me in the pre-market, who watched the overview and banked. Maureen, Frank, Max, nice, Fan Bam, Pablo, Nate, yo, Rudy, damn, most of y'all. Now do you guys see the importance of watching the overviews? Why they're important, why I make them every night for you guys, so you guys are prepared? Literally, this is the levels I wanted yesterday. I wanted this 4-hour range. This is all I was waiting for yesterday. Was for us to tap into this 4-hour range, and we finally got it. So what we're looking at now is I want to see a 5-minute low breakage of ES here. I want to see a 15-minute low break of 24,628 on NQ. We did stay below the hourly high, which is good here. We didn't break above it after sweeping and filling that imbalance. So I do see us selling off at the open to cause the breakage here. My area of take profit is going to be this 15-minute inverse fair value gap here. This is where I'll look to take majority of my profits right here. If we continue to break down even lower, there goes the market. Nice, we're selling off. We're up 100 points here, guys. Very nice. Very nice. Let the runners run. Remember, we're targeting 24,542. Good job. Remember, if we can break this, we straight leak. So we just need to get to these lows. NQ's already at the low. ES isn't there yet. Make sure you're managing some though, or at least move down your stop. I would say at least move down your stop. Nice, nice, nice. One second, let me get this going here. We're gonna do one crazy XPX also, so I want to see if we can get the 5-minute breakage first. Yeah, we're up nice. That's 1,500 on the day so far. On just one. So we're up nice. 15 per. Yeah, I went a little heavier. I smacked 25 cons, then I trimmed along the way. Yeah, you guys are up. Everyone should be up nice. Everyone should be up nice. Yeah, 500. Yeah. Honestly, I would say if you guys are up over 200 bucks today already, go enjoy your weekend. I'm only gonna be on here for the people that didn't catch on pre-market, and obviously you guys are gonna have to wait for this to break the lows. Then we can take the trade. But if you guys caught it with me in the morning, go enjoy your weekend. Don't be greedy. I'm only doing this because there's some accounts that I didn't catch it on, so I'm gonna try to catch it on those. So that's pretty much it for me, but very nice, very nice. Cool. See, it's holding that 15, holding that daily open there. ES trying to hold that. Let's see what's going on here. What a bounce, what a bounce. It's almost 100-point bounce there. Let's see. 1 minute shifted above, so careful trying to short. Like I said, we'll look for more shorts if we can break below the low. Yeah, both of them broke on the 1 minute, so yeah, just waiting to see if we can get the break. This 1 hour imbalance got filled. How much time we have? 27 minutes for the hourly. Where's my glasses? Yeah, as long as we stay below the hourly, we're good. Good. Yeah, enjoy your weekend, main lord. What a great day. This is why I make the overviews, guys. This is the exact reason for you guys to be able to bank with me. And if you stop being lazy and watch them, I promise you're gonna bank. Like, look how many of y'all watched it and how many of y'all banked. The people that didn't watch it, Brandon, he didn't watch it because he's lazy. He was complaining because he was sick. He has 1 minute. The video is 1 minute long. Everyone has 1 minute to spare to make their life better every single day. So there's absolutely no excuses. While he was taking a shit this morning, he could have watched it. But I promise you, he probably got on social media, scrolled for 5-10 minutes, but didn't watch the overview for a minute. I'm telling you, there's some people that want it, there's some people that don't want it, guys. And the ones that want it proved it to me today. You guys banked. Yeah, if you guys don't watch it at night, cool. Watch it in the morning. I would say watch it in the morning so you're prepared. But I would say watch it at night so you're charge prepared. But I would say rewatch it in the morning so your brain is prepared again to see if any of those levels got invalidated overnight. So look, even yesterday I said the 592 30-minute imbalance, if this holds this range here, what happened? It held. This is the range I wanted us to hold to push into here. That did exactly that. It held, pushes into there. I wanted this here to reject. We rejected from there. Like, I can't make this shit up. Like, I can't. Both sides paid. Longs and shorts on both of my levels. You know? It's just up to you guys to, you know, put in the effort. I could clean up the chart a little bit. Hold on. Let's take this one off. Take this one off. If we are going to be bullish, then I need to wait for the hourly break. So if we can break the hourly here on NQ the next 26 minutes, then I'll go long. If we don't break it, then I'll continue to try to play shorts on the confirmation. So right now, yeah, it's all the way down here. Right now, we're just going to wait. We're going to be patient. We're going to wait for the either 15-minute low to break or the 5-minute low to break on ES. Yeah, all the 4-hour got filled right here. Yesterday was kind of crazy. Actually, I want to show you guys this, man. Yesterday, just looking at the hourly, it looks insane. So I type in QQ and it's gonna give me spot. Look at the hourly on QQ yesterday. Look at this. Held that hourly 1 and 2 times. Nasty candles, nasty wicks. Fucking brutal. We are at the 4-hour premium here on QQQ. I do got it. Okay, I do like it here. This is, you know what? I want to take the risk here. Don't want to do 0 DTs. No. We'll do 5. Sorry, the 30s. The 30s, September 30th. We can go 588. That's the TP down there. 588. Let's see if we can fill here. 147. September 30th, 588 puts at 147. I'm taking some starters here. I'll add heavy once we have the confirmation, but I'm taking it off the 4-hour premium here. My invalidation on this one, if you guys want to play it super tight and aggressive, then just risk the 15-minute close above 593.85. If we close above here in the 15-minute, you can get out. I'm personally going to play the larger time frame, which would be the 4-hour. Since we did break below the 4-hour low, I'm going to use 596.46 4-hour as my stop loss. But if you can't afford to, you know, hold through a larger time frame, then just risk this 15-minute close here. Cool. I'll alert that right now. Oh, never mind. They already put it. Boom, 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 boom. I'm giving it a couple days. The reason is I want to see us come down into. Sorry for NQ. I want to see us come down to this daily low. Even though we are at the daily imbalance, the reason why I wanted to play these shorts I'll show you guys. I think it was ES and SPY. I think it was SPY. 1 second. Let me show you guys. One of them broke the outside daily. So breaking the outside daily, it's like I want to see the sign of continuation into it. So here, right? So we broke the outside daily of it. We broke down. So this is just a retest of that breakdown to continue down lower. So that's what I want to see here. So don't take NQ here because these key Qs are a couple days out. So I'm giving it the wiggle room. If you try NQ here, I did QQ. It's QQ. What did they type? It's QQ. Yeah, it's QQ. 588 is QQ. Yo, whoever alerted, can you put QQ? You forgot to put QQ, please. I mean, you guys know the price. SPY's at 660. QQ's at 595. You're really not gonna try to do SPY 580, you know? Who's fucking alerting today? You know what? Hold on. I got it. Where's the fucking arrow? Where is this? Let me see. Where's the chat? I just saw it. Bro, what happened to the chat? Yo, hold on. I gotta get a set schedule of this because this is all over the place, man. Nice. 161 so far on these QQs. Nice rejection. Nice. 166 here, guys. Nice. Nice rejection. We're rejecting the hourly high again. Even on NQ, that's 30 points. 4 more minutes. Let's see if we get the 15-minute low breakage here in the next 4 minutes. Yo, who is... Okay, thank you. Who is... So why did he say... Bro... Oh, that was yesterday. Never mind. Never mind, MM. Okay. Cool video. Whoa, what a buyback. What a bounce right back up. 2 more minutes. Well, 1 more minute. You guys think we break the 15-minute? You guys think we sell off 60 points in a minute? It's very doable. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but huge divergence here though. Yeah, pretty big divergence. This is NQ. This is ES. So who's lagging and who's leading? I know who's leading and I know who's lagging. I'm about to do something fucking crazy. Fuck it. I'm doing it. Today could be a good day. These can print. I'm gonna take a risk on these. What are we at? Damn, it's kind of far. Okay, let's do 10. Fuck it. 65.90 puts at 260. 65.90 put XPX 260. There we go. 3.0, 310. Yeah, XPX ES is the one lagging behind NQ. There we go. These are gonna print nasty today. 325. I got this one. Back at fill on these XPX. If you missed entry, there's a good area here. Nice, Frank. Good job, Frank. I'm taking some risk on these XPX. I love it. I love the setup here on the larger time frame. And with the SMT divergence here. 15-minute close below. On ES. Yeah, this is, ooh. This could be nice. Stay below this here. We're just chopping around here now. Trying to bounce off the daily open. This can be an NQ retest on the 1 minute here to sell off. We need to stay below the hourly. 15-minute looks good. 5-minute looks good. 1 minute needs to stay below the 714 area. QQ bounced off the daily open. That's what we bounced off of. 15-minute close above. So remember, if you were in those QQ, that's your tight stop. You can stop out. I'm using the 4-hour high. So let's remove that for me here. Let's remove that. Let's clean this up a little bit. Just chop it around. This can be a big move in a little bit. Do we have any more news? 12 minutes on the hourly. I don't think we have any more news. Yo, guys, you guys, I can't. If I mess up and forget to put puts or calls, bro, guys, look at the price the stock is at, right? Look at the price the stock is at. If the price is lower, what does that mean? It's puts, right? If the price is higher, that means it's calls. Come on, guys. You guys got to use common sense sometimes too. Please, please, please. These are questions, like I said, these are questions I don't have to answer. Like, you should know the answer by simply looking at it. SPY's at the 4-hour high. Ooh. If we get the weekly open on SPY, I'll look to scale in on XPX. Can't get above that 714 level. Struggling here. Struggling NQ. Nice. Yeah, I can't get above that 714, you see? Struggling with that 714 there. Very nice, very nice. The divergence here, NQ's trying to lead while E is just lagging. It's crazy. Chop, yeah, just like yesterday. Chop, 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 and then the big move. I mean, a larger time frame is still telling us a story. Remember, the 4 hours is still telling us bearish retest. So I'm going off the larger time frame here. I want to see. We just swept over the high 2 of SPY, the 4-hour high. So should get a nice move here now. No one has any excuse because XPX, QQ, they both went under my fills. So I don't want to hear no excuses whatsoever. Yeah, I feel like NQ's about to sell off here pretty nicely. US president, what? What do you say? If you guys want to try sells in a distant balance and risk the high. 591 and then 715, so 20-point risk. Very minimal risk, very, 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 very minimal. That imbalance step, and then you can risk that high. Gaza deal. He's saying may have a Gaza deal. May. Let's go see. Let me go. Let me go look real quick. There's 591. Alright, let's see if we can get a nice little move. And we just risked the high there. So I'm gonna try some sells there. Try and sells. Let's see if we can get this move here. ES needs to start letting go too. Six minutes for the hourly. We need to stay below this in the next 6 minutes also. That'll be the cherry on top. I have my stop at the 717.50. Come on, baby. $10 points there. Nice. 13 points. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Very nice, very nice. Excuse me. That's about 19 points there. Almost had my 20, but 19 points. Break even stops for me now. We shouldn't get to our fill. If we do, then we'll retry again a little bit after the hourly closes. And I just got stopped in profits there. Nice little 19 point trade. We're just chopping around. The hourly needs to close below in the next 3 minutes. 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Maybe that last 2 minutes and then reverse the high. 15, 1. High there. Yeah, we're still staying below. 2.5 minutes left. Just tap the 4 ROB here. Let's see. Damn it, give me that 707 again. 707, I can risk 10 points. Five, 6. Alright, I'm gonna try the sells here again. I'm gonna risk 10 points, so 717 my stop. Let's see if we can close below the hourly high in the next minute and a half. That's pretty much what we're betting on here. $6.97. We need to stay below in the next minute. One more minute, 50 seconds. Stay below 697. Alright, let's see, 20 seconds. Alright, 706 my fill. Break even stops for me here in the last 20 seconds. It's a make or break. So, break even stops for me here. 10 seconds, stay below 697. 10, 7, 6, 4, 3. I got stopped there, and it closed above. Good, cool. I'm glad. There you go. I really closed above on NQ here. Spies at the weekly open here. He is going for previous day high. Little break even trade there. See, that's why it's important to pay attention to your times. Consumer sentiment right now. That's probably what it was then. Cool. Spies at the weekly open. I'm gonna skill in some of these XPX here. I have a 210 average on these XPX here. I'm gonna leave QQ alone since QQ is swing for a couple days out. But XPX is already teed out. We're at the weekly open of SPY. I need to see the 4-hour close below. Just down 3.5 hours still. As long as we stay below the weekly open on SPY, we're good. NQ's trying to push here. Excuse me. Everyone had break-even stops there with me on that trade. See some ones. I want to make sure you guys are following along exactly as I'm trading it. Okay. Are you guys seeing why I did that? Why I moved my break-even stop? So the reason I took the trade like 1 minute right before the hourly close, but then I put it the stop loss in the last 20 seconds because obviously if the hourly closed above, we knew it would pop, and it did that, right? The hourly did close above, and then as soon as it closed above, it had a little pop. So it's better to just get stop break even than have hopium of it closing below. Better, break even, and if we can stop break even and it did close below, then okay, we can re-enter on a shift, right? That's just how I play the market. Pretty much safe. So these are things. Nice. These are things I say like it's just with practice. The more screen time you get, the more you'll see and the more you understand, and the more it'll start happening for you. You know what I mean? You'll start understanding it the more you see it happen. That's why when you guys ask me some questions, like there's some questions I can't answer or tell you exactly when you should smack or like what. It all depends on the time that's left, time frame, the sentiment, the news, or anything like that. 240 on these XPX. What a scaling. Let's go, baby. Confidence pays. Conviction pays, baby. The weekly open here, I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that weekly open rejection on SPY. Super beautiful. Beautiful level. Like I said, seeing our 4-hour zone, like there's no reason for me not to short this. If you want to short NQ, you can wait for this low to break here on the 1 minute, and then we can short it. I'd want to see something like this: break this low, retest this imbalance, and then continue down to the 15-minute low, break the low, retest daily open, continue down to the zone. I feel like right now they're trapping the late bulls up there. ES just closed below the low on the 1 minute. Buckle up on these XPX. Very nice. We just closed below. NQ hasn't closed below just yet, but ES did, so very, very nice. We're up nice on these XPX here. Nice, nice, nice. What a sell-off. I want to take some off at 260-ish. 260, 275. Alright, I'm trimming some XPX here. Nice. 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 270. What a scale-in, guys. Sheesh. Make sure to trim some. And you can put your stops break even. And the Q just broke below the low too. Let's see if we can get a retest. 702 would be a nice retest. Do I think we get up there? Honestly, not really. I don't. I think they're just gonna leak it straight to the 15-minute low, in my opinion. You gotta get back into options. I might stop doing options though, because we don't get a lot of attention, reaction off of it. 330 here. Let's fucking go. Look how dead the options channel is compared to the futures channel, so it's not even worth it for me. I can just trade these on my own and keep them. It's like no one takes them. Nice, we're up nice. We're up 60% on these XPX. We are at the low here. You know what? I'm gonna manage some more. We're at this low here on ES. I'm gonna trim half my position here. Oh my god, what a sell-off, guys! Sheesh. 100% on these these XPX. QQ is up to 190 on QQ, 445 on XPX. Let's go. Let's go, baby. What a sell-off. Bro, get this out of... Man, I can't even adjust this. And this is why you focus on larger time frame. Yo, Frank, good job, bro. You're up 2 bands. T-Lock, are you happy today, bro? I want to see you happy today because I feel like you've been sad all week. I want to see a smile on your face today, bro. We can sell off to 66.6. Oh, I don't want to say it, but 6666 over here on ES. Nice manage there. Nice manage. Made 1K on those XPX. Good job, Rudy. Good job, bro. I'll send you an invoice in a little bit, Rudy. Or do you want me to send? Should I just send it to Pablo instead? Very nice, very nice. Pablo will cover it. Yes, sir. You get a Polo toy. That boy has for real. Hey, if y'all want to send some for Apollo for a toy, that'd be nice. We gotta wait the next 6 minutes, 15-minute break, and then we can continue. That 1 minute breakage was a momentum trade. I wanted to retest, but yeah, we didn't get that. Honestly, we can sell off to this 542 level that I want, just because ES hasn't approached the low yet. So we can still catch some good momentum to the downside here with ES. Let's see if we can retest the daily open. Watch a reaction here at the daily open. What would be the risk? What would be the risk? I don't like it. It's fucking risky, but your Bonox accounts are up nice. That's good, bro. That's good. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you and for me because remember, everyone that just signed up with Bonox, you guys owe me 10% of y'all's payout whenever y'all get it. If not, remember, you guys are banned. So if you're happy and you're banking, I'm happy and I'm banking. What, y'all thought this shit was free? You guys think I'm charge y'all $75 super cheap a month just to charge you cheap? No, this is a business. You act like you didn't. Honestly, nah, it's like I did it, bro. Look how many people got it. Do you think Bonox pays crazy for affiliate, bro? Let me see. Yo, 525 here on these XPX. And this is for the whole month of September. I'll go look at it right now. Hold on. Let me manage my position first. Nice. 2.0 on QQ. If you can update that for me, please. I appreciate that. 2.0. Let me go look at this Bonox crap. I'll tell you guys how much I made for the month of September. Affiliate statics. I have made so far for the whole month of September $577 from affiliate. Yeah, I think that's a lot of money for affiliate. Hell no, bro. That barely covers 3 activations. It's like you win, I win. Honestly, really, yeah, those $500 are just pure activation. Sound spoiled. But yeah, I gotta remember that's through every platform I put it on. I think what helped it was Instagram. When I posted on Instagram, a lot of people bought that day. Like literally, when I post on the Discord, I only post so you guys can take advantage of it for literally $15. What do you think they're gonna pay me? $15? If you pay $15 for account, how much you think they're gonna pay me, guys? They're paying me like $1. Honestly, 150 out of exactly more. It's worth it. We know it. Yep. Let's see if we can get the retest, bro. Come on. I really don't think we'll get a retest due to ES selling off, which I'm okay with because our XPX are eating, but it's gonna hit my TP of the 542 without giving me a second entry. And I don't want to say, damn, we had the top, we got in, because we respected the stop loss on the hourly. We stopped break even, which I'm okay with, but no ifs and buts about it for me. I think we're just gonna sell off here, bro. Do I want to chase this? Not really, because this is one of those like real quick trades. Let's just get to that low real quick and then fuck around and find out. Oh my god, look at the rejection on SPY from that weekly open. Ho. We have room down to this low. 657.05 on SPY that we're gonna print on those XPX. Just hold those runners all day. Don't sell your full position. Hold your runners. 550 on these XPX, 210 on QQ, 550 on XPX, 210 on QQ. Everyone should be up nice today. Everyone should be up. 6, 7K. Are you guys banking? Are you guys happy? Please don't stop options. We're eating good. Nice, Ghost. Good job, bro. Nah, I might stop options. Cause look at the options channel. I'm gonna go look at it real quick. Let me go see. Absolutely no emojis on it. That's sad. That's depressed. That's depression. That makes me want to just keep him to myself. I'm gonna start gatekeeping for real. We can't even get 3. We can't even get 3. We get laughing emojis on it. Oh yeah, see, that did it for me. No more options. Instead of money bags, we get laughing emojis. Yeah, 200% here, guys, on XPX. 620. Let's go, baby. Very nice. Am I being greedy? Nah, I'm not. I'm just being smart. Letting the runner run to my TP. I would trim majority. I'll probably leave just 2 runners once we get this 66.6 on XPX. On ES, sorry. $620 on XPX. $220 on QQ. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. This is a risk-free trade. You just TP on everything, bro. Leave runners, please leave runners, bro. I told you a pre-market. This is a day where you want to hold a runner all day long. Yeah, just leave runners. At least 1 to 2 runners, because I don't want to scare y'all, but if ES can break the 5-minute low of 66.6 level here, the market's in trouble, and we're gonna sell off into 66.40. So these cons will be up about 1,200, 1,300% once we get to my actual TP. So I don't want to scare any of y'all, but we have a lot of room down still if we can get the breakage. We got the breakage on NQ though, right? So that's a good sign. That's healthy. Like I said today, NQ was leading, which it did here, so very, very good. Now let's see if we can get a retest now. Bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Let's see if we can get 24,655 retest on NQ. That'd be nice. Alright, we're up nice. Retest here. I'm just glad you guys didn't panic and you trusted the game plan with holding these puts through with me. Cause that was a no-brainer. Couldn't fill the whole 4-hour balance. Tap the weekly open. Get the rejection. There's no way we weren't gonna reject off of there. No way, Jose. Yeah, ES wants that 5-minute low. We have 1 minute and 13 seconds that it could just. Boop. So what I'd want to see is ES come down to the low, break it, then retest and continue lower. I'll buy to sell there.